Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. In session we have learned about external environment micro factors. Today we are going to learn about macro factors in external environment. The macro factors are also arise outside the organization like micro factors only, but they affect whole economy. It means it affect to each and every business belongs to the economy. Further, these factors are totally uncontrollable and business do not have any type of control over those factors. Example, government policy on taxation, exchange value, etc. If the exchange value of rupees with any other currency is increasing or decreasing continuously, then no any business can control this. Hence, these factors are called as macro environment factors. They are also called as general environment factors. Macro factors include economic, political, legal, technological, social and cultural, global, demographic and natural factors. Today we will learn about this. First in this is economic environment. Economic environment consists all those economic aspect, all those factors that belongs to economic aspect of any country. It includes various factors like per capita income of the country, the stage of development of economy, the nature of the economy and other factors. This has important effect on any economy or the business belong to the economy. The study of this factor is also important as it will guide the business about various important decisions. For example, studying per capita income of a country will guide the business in decision of price. If a country belongs to low per capita income, then company cannot charge too much high price as the average income of the country is very low. Similarly, if a country belongs to high per capita income, then a business may charge a huge high amount and can earn huge amount of profit. Similarly, business also has to check whether the economy is in a growth stage, in maturity stage, in introduction stage or declining stage, because it overall affect to all the businesses in the country, in the economy. Say for example, if an economy itself is in a slowdown stage, then probably all the businesses in that economy, in that country will be in a declining stage. So the study of the stages of development of economy is also necessary. Further, what type of economic philosophy is been adopted by country need to be studies. Say for example, whether the country has adopted capitalism or socialism or mixed economy, it also has a greater amount of impact on operation of business activity. This all point will discuss later on. So these are the various economic aspects that need to be studied before going to analyze macro factors. The second factor is political or legal environment or political or legal factors. A very important aspect in macro factors are political and legal environment. as it directly affect to the operation of business activities. Political environment can be understood as the rules and regulation formulated by political parties or political authorities. These rules and regulation provide the framework for any business to work, and no businesses can work beyond the framework. Hence, the political environment or political factors directly create the boundaries for business, and every business need to work within those boundaries. The political environment includes various rules and regulation formulated by government. It includes various rules related to fiscal policy, monetary policy, the amount of freedom provided to private sector and the controlling over it, etc. These all factors controls the business activities, and hence before starting business a good amount of political and legal study of good political and legal environment is very necessary. Further, it also includes the consistency of government rules related to price, usage of material, import, export, etc. And hence a thorough analysis of political environment is very necessary. The next factor is technological environment. Technology environment refers to the technological changes take place in the economy, in the society. These technological changes have direct impact on our business operation. Any changes in technology may lead to obsolescence, it make outdated the existing technology. Sometimes such technological changes may increase the production cost, while sometimes it may decrease the production cost. Some technological invention or innovation may make a new technology possible, while the same technological changes make the existing technology outdated. And hence a good amount of analysis should be done in technological field regarding how they affect our business is necessary. Such changes may happen frequently, or sometimes it may happen after many years. So all these factors need to be keep in mind while analyzing the technological environment. That is all about today's session. We'll cover the next point in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home. Goodbye.